Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. It's me Jayeeta, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Jayeeta. So in my today's video I'm going to show you how to do infinity braid hairstyle. But before starting the video, you should make this side wrap ponytail first. And if you don't know how to do this side wrap ponytail, then don't worry, video is already uploaded in my channel as a short video. You can check that out. I will give the link in the description box below as well as on the I button also. So don't forget to check that how to make this kind of fluffy puffy wrap ponytail, side wrap ponytail. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, let me just divide this ponytail into two equal segment. So this is my front segment and this is my back segment, suppose. And next what I'm gonna do is take a little hair section, a thin hair section from the front segment, then cross it over and then cross it under. Can you understand? Then again cross it over and just cross it under. Then again over, then again under, over, under. Okay, so when you when you reach to the end position of this thin hair section, then what you have to do is you have to just add some hair to maintain this length. Then again same process, over and under, again over, under, again over. Now I'm gonna add some hair from my back segment like so to maintain the length of the thin hair section. Again I have to repeat the same process. So that is it, very simple and very easy, but looks so stylish. Guys, if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get notified while I upload a new video on YouTube. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is @me_Jayeeta. So this was a random, very quick tutorial of this infinity braid. And it's a very casual braid. You can also do this in your oily hair. It will look great on oily hair also. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it this much, and now I'm gonna securing my braid in with the help of a rubber tie. And that's it. Just pull the sides. And yeah, so my braid is done. Hope you like this video, and if really that, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And so yeah, I will be back with my new video and new concepts and new ideas. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay safe. Bye bye.